Hi guys, I'm going to help you find where the iStation folder is located and show you how to star it so that you can access the folder anytime you would like. So under Collinswood Staff, there's a folder called Curriculum Planning and Technology Resources. I'm going to select that folder. Then I'm going to scroll down because they're in alphabetical order, the folders are, and select Technology Resources and then iStation. Once I have the iStation folder, I'm going to select the triangle that's right next to the iStation folder, and I'm going to select Add Star. When I go to my starred folders, I will now see iStation in my starred folders. That way, whenever I want to return to iStation, I can go ahead and go to my favorites, select starred, and I'll be able to open that folder readily.